Hi guys, so this is our fifth episode of CSS full tutorial in Tagalog and English, and this time we'll be talking about CSS outline. So in this clip video, this is just a short clip. This is just a short video for the CSS outline. Um, I will tackle this is because sometimes or commonly some projects in real-time world ay gumagamit sila ng outline. So let me just open up our Visual Studio Code and open up our browser. So I don't have any styling or content inside our body. So let's just add a paragraph in here, and let's just have a content of lorem for about 7, and save that one and refresh the page. So let me just close this DevTools at the moment. So I don't have any styles paragraph natin. So we'll just add one, and then we'll add outline. So I will add an outline width of 1 pixel. So and then we'll just add an outline color of black, and then outline style of solid. So let me save it and refresh the page. So as you can see, we have a border. So it is the same as border. Generally, it is the same as border. So let me create another div, and let me just style out this one of a border. So border width of 1 pixel. So border color of black, and then border style of solid. Ayan. So let's just give this a width of 100% and a height of you know what, just give this a 500 pixel and a height of 50 pixel. Then let's just refresh the page. So it's too much, so refresh that one. And so as you can see, we have the same border for our text, for our paragraph, and we have a border for the div. So the difference between these two is ito ay isang outline. So when we type text, for example, we don't have any styles in here. So let me just save that one, refresh the page. So when we type, as you can see, there is a there's an outline on this text. Okay, so let me just get that back. Refresh the page. So there is a line outside of the stack that you cannot see. So we are adding an outline here. Basically, it's just the same of the border. So we also have a dash outline, and this border has a style of outline as well. Ayan. So meron din siyang dotted. Meron din tong dotted. Ayan. So we have a we have an outline offset of uh pixel 5 pixel. So as you can see, binibigyan ng padding inside sa ating paragraph. So binibigyan ng padding. You as you as you remembered on our last video, we discussed about margins and padding. So basically that was applied to it. So binigyan ng padding. It is called outline offset. Let's try if meron ding border offset. And so as you can see, we don't have any border offset. It's because this is a border. So that's the difference between outline and the border. So basically, kahit na meron siyang similarities, we also have a shorthand for this specific styling. So we only have outline here. Basically, it's just the same, more like the same as the border. So solid black. Ayan. So let me just comment this out. And so let me just save that one. Ayan. So it's basically the same applied to the div shorthand. Ayan. So some of the website uses an outline, so some uses border. So I prefer outline rather than using the boarding. I don't know the differences between the two, but I am assuming that using a border has a downside rather than using an outline. On my perspective lang ah. Pero you can search that one. I think that's it for this video, guys. So you can experiment that one by deleting the solid and add some invert, something like that. So um let's try to get this back, and then the style, let's just delete that one, and you can have a lot of options in here: unset, ridge, hidden groove, like that. So let me just say that one, and so you can play with this uh code. I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And kita kits next video. Thank you.